If you are going to Gramado for the first time, this video is for you. We are going to show you the main mistakes that many people make when traveling there, and how to avoid each one of them. Let's go. The first mistake is thinking that Gramado is only about Christmas decorations. The city is famous for its Christmas Light Festival, but it has attractions all year round. There are theme parks, museums, chocolate factories, incredible restaurants, shops, and scenery that looks like European towns. Another very common mistake is not preparing for the weather. Winter, from June to August, is very cold, with temperatures that can get close to 0 degrees Celsius. During this time, frost is common. Summer, from December to March, is pleasant, with average temperatures around 25 degrees Celsius, but it can get hotter on some days. Spring and autumn are charming seasons, with colorful flowers and leaves, perfect for walking around the city. Another mistake is choosing the wrong hotel location. The best area to stay is in the city center, which concentrates restaurants, shops, and several tourist attractions, all just minutes away on foot. Another good option is Avenida das Hortensias, which connects Gramado to Canela, and has well-rated hotels with easy access to both cities. We created a personalized map that explains exactly which is the best region. Staying in these areas, you can't go wrong. The link to the map is here in the video description and also in the QR code on the screen. And on that same map, we have already marked the hotels where we stayed, which are really worth it. One of them had a great price, was comfortable, and super well located. A classic mistake is visiting Gramado with too little time. Many people go for only 2 days, but ideally, you should spend at least 4 full days. That way, you can really get to know the city, enjoy the attractions, and also visit Canela, which is right next door. And of course, a very common mistake is skipping the must-see attractions. Lago Negro is one of the most beautiful and peaceful spots in the city. Rua Coberta is great for strolling and eating at good restaurants. Mini Mundo is a park full of miniature replicas that enchant both adults and children. Museums such as the Wax Museum, Harley Motor Show, and Hollywood Dream Cars are fun. Canela, just 10 minutes away by car, has the famous Caracol Waterfall and the Stone Cathedral. But don't worry, in the video description and here in the QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the site where we always buy tickets and tours at the lowest price. It's the largest tour site in the world and has practically everything. Tickets for all attractions, tours, and excursions to nearby cities that are worth visiting, all at the lowest price, and you can pay in any currency, saving on fees. And they even have free tours that are great. And remember that on this link below, we always organize everything you need to plan your entire trip at the lowest price. The sites we use to plan our trips, and that always end up being much cheaper. Travel SIM card, travel insurance at half price, tickets for all attractions, good and affordable hotels we've already stayed in, cheap car rental, and the global account to take money abroad paying much lower fees. And the links already have automatic discounts, since we are always updating them. So save and use this page that will make your trip much easier. Another mistake is not buying travel insurance. Even in destinations within Brazil, it is recommended, since unforeseen events can happen. The cost is low, less than $3 a day, and it covers medical assistance, lost luggage, flight cancellations, and much more. We always use a comparison site that shows all insurers and finds the best prices. The link is also below. And for those who are new here on the channel, welcome. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you are enjoying this, subscribe to our channel and like the video. It helps us a lot. Another mistake is not trying the local cuisine. Gramado is famous for its fondues, colonial cafes, and chocolate factories. It's unmissable to have dinner at a typical Swiss restaurant. Try the traditional fondue sequence, and visit one of the artisanal chocolatiers. Colonial cafes are also complete experiences with dozens of dishes and desserts. Another mistake is not planning transportation properly. The city is small, but to reach some of the more distant attractions, such as Snowland and Caracol Waterfall, you'll need a car or transfer. Renting a car can give you more freedom to explore the whole region, including the vineyards of Bento Gonçalves, about 2 hours away. And finally, a mistake that many people make is not organizing their itinerary properly. The tip is to separate the days, one for the main sites in Gramado, another for parks and museums, another for Canela, and another for more distant tours such as wineries or theme parks. That way, you can enjoy everything without rushing. If you liked this video, like it and subscribe to our channel so you can travel more and better around the world. Thank you very much and have a great trip.